Here's the app called Plant Parent Plant Care Guide. So this is really cool app, and yeah, it uses AI. It uses some artificial intelligence where you can just basically scan any plants, um, and yeah, you can just scan it, and then I did identify some issues in your plants. You can check the light amount, and then just set some reminders, and also you have access to a huge library of different things which you can explore. So yeah, it's like super easy to use care guide for over 7,000 plant species, auto diagnose 100 plant diseases with a quick photo, send unlimited care reminders, watering, fertilizing, and more. Try 7 days free, and then $30 per year. So that's basically the idea. You can give access to your location where you are, can allow notifications, and then yeah, you can just search by name if you don't want to scan, and then yeah, you can just choose a site. For example, you have aloe in your living room, whatever, and then it was successfully added. And then yeah, you can just open it up, and then you can see some like common names. You can see plant care, fertilize. You can see journal of this app, actions you did. So then you can see plant care course, you can see water, you can see all of the additional information. Side, you can see like all of the details how you need to grow this specific plant. It's pretty cool. And then there is also some AI expert which can help you out with this. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So definitely give a try to this app. You can just also auto diagnose. This super helpful feature for a lot of gardeners, a lot of people who grow plants and all of that. You can also find plant by search care guide, and then you can just see your plants again. So yeah, then there is a premium service. It says premium members are 2.6 times more likely to keep their plants happy. 2 free consults with botanists for personalized help diagnose and revive your plants without limits. Set unlimited reminders, watering, fertilizing, and more. Personalized care guides for 7,000 plus species. Then you can just become a premium member. So yeah, that's basically the idea.